Hey traders, so how many of you guys are actually trading using a business or an LLC? Or are you trading with your own social security number and your own self? So I'm going to talk to you about the benefits of trading as an LLC. If you're unaware what an LLC is, I'll deep dive into it. I'll explain exactly what it is and the tax benefits that can be provided to you when you are trading as a business. And the cherry on top is that you can actually become an entrepreneur. You can open your own business, and it is really, really simple and really, really affordable. So if you thought it was far-fetched to become an entrepreneur and trade, having two things that you love into one, I'm here to tell you, you can do it. Let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so first things first, what is an LLC? An LLC stands for Limited Liability Company. It's a business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation, and it protects your personal assets from business debts and liabilities, and it offers tax flexibility. So you want to think of it as a safety net that also comes with perks. Let's talk a little bit about the tax benefits. One of the biggest advantages of trading through an LLC is the potential for significant tax benefits. So, as an individual trader, your profits are taxed as a personal income, which can be a lot higher than if you were trading as a business. But as an LLC, you can benefit from the pass through taxation, where business income is reported on your personal tax return, potentially lowering your overall tax rate. Now, according to the IRS, LLCs often save on taxes due to deductions not available to individuals. So, for instance, LLCs can deduct business expenses like office supplies, internet, and even a portion of your home office. So, for example, this here is one of my offices here, and this is a home office where I actually file the square footage with my professional tax person, and I get to write it off from the lights to the air conditioning, the heater, my computers, everything within this area is all worked in into my tax deductions. So let's say a trader is making $100,000 a year. And as an individual, you might be taxed at a higher rate, but as an LLC, you could potentially deduct $10,000 in business expenses, lowering your taxable income and saving on taxes. So buying computers, your tax software, pencils, pens, journals, anything that is related to your business, you can actually write off and save money. So first, let's talk about obtaining an EIN. So an EIN, you can think of it as a social security number for a business. You know that everyone in the United States has a social security number to identify themselves, and they use that social security number to build credit. When I am looking to get a credit card, I use my social security number so they can see if I'm good or bad with credit. If I'm looking to purchase a car or a house, they need to run my social security number. The same thing with an EIN. An EIN stands for an employer identification number, and it is used for your LLC to build business credit. Just like yourself, you get to build individual credit, you get to build business credit. And it is really simple to obtain. All you have to do is go to the RS website and you want to navigate to the EIN page. Now, before you do that, you want to create an LLC. Now, LLC goes through the state. First, you want to find out which state you want to obtain your LLC in. There's different benefits, pros and cons, depending on which state you're in, whether if it's California, Nevada, Florida, whatever it is. But I recommend personally that you open up a business in your state. But then again, you want to talk to a tax professional to find out what's best for you based on what your business is all about. All right. Number two, go to a website. It's a state website where you're actually filing articles of organization. Now, each state is a little bit different, but you want to go to the state, and all you can do if you need to is just Google your state, whatever it is, say Florida, opening a business, articles of organization, and it should take you to a state website. And if you have any questions, if this is a legitimate site or if this is the correct site for your state, just drop it in the comments and I'll look and do some research for you if I have the time, but I will do my best and I will confirm if that's the correct site for you or not, or I'll provide the site for you. I can't promise, but I'll do my best to get to you depending on how many respond to that. So number two, you're going to pay filing fees, and it can range from $25 to maybe $200. $200 is on the far end side of how much it costs to file for your new business. It could take anywhere between a week to 4 weeks for it to all be done. And once you do that, you will go to the IRS site and you want to apply for an EIN number, exactly what I told you before, employer identification number. They'll attach that EIN number to your business, and now your business is alive. It has a social security number or an EIN number. Third, you want to go to a bank. a local bank, a Bank of America, Chase, whatever bank is near you, and say, hey, I want to open up a business account. They'll ask you for your articles. They'll ask you for your EIN because they want to see if your business have good credit or bad credit, or if it's new. Oftentimes, if it's new, you will still be able to open up a checking account. Once you open up your checking account, open up a savings account and just throw in money. Now, typically banks may have a minimum requirement that you need to deposit in that account. You want to put at least that minimum requirement in and just let it sit, just leave it there. Number two, then ask to open up a business credit card. Now, remember, this is a brand new social security number for your business, AKA EIN. So oftentimes you'll be able to get approved. Now, it depends on how much you get approved on because it's a brand new business. It could be $500, 1,000, 2,500, depending on your state. But remember, your social security number is still attached to that business because they need to look at your EIN for your business, which is brand new. It hasn't established credit. So oftentimes you may get approved for credit, but two, they'll look at you as the individual owner and they'll need your social security number as well. So based on those two numbers will determine how much credit you'll get. Now, take it from me. I used to work for the second largest bank in America. I won't provide any names. If you're in our academy, you probably already know. But I used to open up accounts for businesses, banks. I've traded for them. So I know exactly what I'm talking about. And this is how I actually set up my account. We trade not for ourselves, we trade for our business because we get to write off so much from computers to the space that we're in. And then two, you get to trade under a business under your EIN number, which is also a huge benefit. Now, I suggest that you find a business CPA or someone who understands business taxes. You're going to file your taxes with that person. And before you even do that, just ask them for advice. Say, hey, this is a brand new business. I trade for a living. What do you suggest how I write things off? Or what do you suggest when I'm trading? Do I use my EIN number? They'll provide you with the best information, and I suggest that you go with them. I'm not a tax professional. I just used to work for a bank, and I can only provide you with information and details as I have done as a trading professional and as an entrepreneur. So the benefits for all of this is that you are now an entrepreneur, you have a legal business in the United States, and you're also saving money by trading as your business and even writing things off as your business. So let's talk about the pros of opening an LLC as a trader. So number one, you're potentially lowering taxes due to business deductions. Number two, your personal assets are protected because now your personal assets are now in your business and the IRS cannot attack you specifically. So again, you want to talk to your CPA how you can protect everything under your business as opposed to you individually. And then number three, it adds professionalism and credibility. As a business owner, you can say, I am a business owner and I'm a business owner doing what I absolutely love. And from there, you can develop your business to whatever you see fit, whether if you're writing books, as a professional trader, I suggest before you do that, you know exactly what you're doing and you're turning a profit consistently time after time. Again, I want to plug in, we have an academy. If you have any questions, if you want to learn how to grow and trade at least a 90% profit rating, which we do, and which we have proof with our students. And then let me talk about the cons. There's initial setup fees. Now, whatever you're investing in, you're going to have fees. And to me, that's not necessarily a con. That just comes with the territory. Number two, there's just more paperwork and regulatory requirements. And again, you can look at it as a pro, you can look at it as a con, but it just comes with the territory when you're opening a professional business. And then number three, record keeping. You're going to have to hire a CPA who handles business taxes, someone who knows what they're doing when it comes to businesses in your state or whatever state that you choose. Those are the only cons, but whenever you're going to make money or save money, typically it's going to take some time and some education and resources for you to do that. So I want to say that starting an LLC is more than just a tax benefit. It's actually a good opportunity to become an entrepreneur. Many people want to find out how they can become an entrepreneur. Should I open up a business or a restaurant? Or they see it as hard, but to be honest, all you need to do is find something you're really good at, go to your state, open up an LLC, and start from there. Now, if you want to get bigger, you can open up partnerships and corporations and things like that. But for now, an LLC is legitimate. You will actually be on your state website as a legitimate company. Now, whether if you're a new trader or an experienced trader, turning your business or your trading business into an LLC can turn your passion into a thriving business. So I'm going to give you a call of action. Don't let the start of owning a business or starting a business intimidate you. It is not scary at all. You just have to follow the right steps. And if you're already trading, why not just take the leap? You're already trading. All you need to do is file your articles of organizations through the state website, apply for your EIN. That takes about a week to 4 weeks, give or take. Go to your bank and provide them with these papers and say, hey, I want to open up a business account. Now you get your own business credit card, your own business debit card as well when you're applying for a credit card and even a debit card with your business name on it. And you are a business owner. People will look at you like you did it. You did it. And you want to make sure that you pay everything on time. You don't want to go in debt. You do not want to have an overdraft fee on your business checking account or your business savings account. As a matter of fact, don't even touch it. Start off with the minimum, whatever they require, whether it's $100 or $500, $200. Most banks want you to start off with at least $50 to $100 in your checking account. Then you apply for a business credit card. This is where you get your business credit. And when I started, what I did was buy small things like paper, pencils, things that will accumulate. And then I would just go ahead and pay the minimum requirement. You don't have to pay the full thing every month. Just pay the minimum. So for example, if I spent $100 and then the minimum was $25 for the next month, I would just pay $25 for that next month, and then 25 for the next month, and 25 for the next month. The reason why is because each month you're paying on time, you're building up your credit score for your business. If you pay the whole thing off, you only build it just a little bit. So buy something for $100, $200, and then pay it off each month until you pay it off, and then do the same thing. And then your business credit will develop and you'll start applying for other credit cards with higher balances. And the credit cards you will use for your laptops, for your monitors, for your trading platform, for anything that is business related, a fan that you want to put in your office or a heater or decorations. That is all business related and you can write it off and save money. Guys, that's pretty much it. I'm going to talk about this a little bit more in detail in our brand new academy and our brand new Stocks Academy. We already have a Forex Academy, but our Stocks Academy is coming out sometime in October. If you are completely unaware of it, go to www.bktradingacademy.com. You'll see coming soon. Put your email in and you'll be notified when it comes out. It will be really, really cheap and affordable for those who are looking for solid stock education, ETFs, indices, and a little bit talking about your 401k, how to trade it, how to trade alongside your 401k so you can retire faster, and even opening up an LLC for a business, for your trading business, just like this, but a little bit more in depth. So guys, also, we have a free stock Discord below, public Discord, where I just drop information and details and things like that. You can even communicate with me if you want, drop a chart about stocks and things like that. In the meantime, don't forget to like, subscribe to this video, share this, guys, because this is huge for people who are looking to develop a business and find a reason to develop a business. Remember, drop a comment below if you have questions on whether or not you selected the right site for your state to create your own business, guys. Again, I will see you in the next video. God bless you.